Here's a breakdown of key technical areas. Core mechanical subjects. 1. Strength of materials, SOM, mechanics of solids, design of machine elements, stress, strain, principal stresses, theories of failure, max. Shear stress, max. Distortion energy, fatigue, stress concentration, design of joints, knuckle, quarter, levers, C-clamps, fasteners. 2. Theory of machines, TOM, kinematics and dynamics, mechanisms, slider crank, velocity and acceleration analysis, planes construction, cams and followers, governors, balances, vibrations, flywheels, gears, brakes and clutches. 3. Thermodynamics and heat transfer, basic concepts, cycles, Carnot, Rankine, diesel, Otto, heat exchangers, refrigeration cycles, properties of steam, power plant engineering. 4. Fluid mechanics and machinery, fluid properties, fluid statics and dynamics, Bernoulli's theorem, flow through pipes, turbines and pumps. 5. Manufacturing science, production engineering, casting, forging, welding, machining, lathe, milling, metal forming, metrology, tool design. 6. Automobile engineering, engine components, systems, fuel, lubrication, cooling, braking, power transmission, chassis, vehicle dynamics. 7. Refrigeration and air conditioning, RAC, refrigeration cycles, properties of refrigerants, psychrometry, air conditioning systems. And 8. Industrial engineering, IME, production planning and control, quality control, inventory control, work study, operations research. Exam focus. 1. Fundamentals, strong grasp of core engineering principles. 2. Design aspects, application of theory to practical design problems. 3. Problem solving, graphical analysis, planes, balancing, numerical problems. And 4. Standards, use of design data books and its standards. Study resources, refer to standard engineering textbooks like those by Jagdish Lal or general mechanical engineering books and official JSSC, JUT syllabi for detailed topics and exam patterns. JSSC टेक्निकल ग्रेजुएट प्रतियोगिता परीक्षा में खोरठा सिलेबस मुख्य रूप से भाषा और साहित्य पर केंद्रित है, जिसमें व्याकरण, संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, लिंग, वचन, कारक, समास, क्रिया, विशेषण, लोक कथाएं, लोक कथा, लोकगीत, लोकगीत, लोक कहानियां, कविताएं, कविता और साहित्य की अन्य विधाएं शामिल हैं। ये पेपर 2 में एक वैकल्पिक भाषा के रूप में आता है और इसमें क्वालिफाइंग मार्क्स लाना जरूरी है, जिसके बाद पेपर 3 तकनीकी विषय का मूल्यांकन होता है। खोरठा सिलेबस के प्रमुख बिंदु: व्याकरण, ग्रामर, संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, लिंग, वचन, काल, कारक, समास, उपसर्ग, प्रत्यय, क्रिया, विशेषण, मुहावरे और लोकोक्तियां। साहित्य, लिटरेचर, गद्य, प्रोज, लोक कथा, लोक कहानी, निबंध। पद्य, पोएट्री, कविता, कविता। अन्य, लोकगीत, नाटक। परीक्षा पैटर्न, एग्जाम पैटर्न। ये पेपर 2 का हिस्सा होता है, जिसमें कुल 100 प्रश्न होते हैं। इसमें पास होने के लिए न्यूनतम 30% अंक, क्वालिफाइंग, लाना अनिवार्य है। तैयारी के लिए सुझाव: 1. JSSC CGL टेक्निकल के लिए खोरठा के संपूर्ण सिलेबस, व्याकरण और साहित्य पर ध्यान दें। 2. झारखंड.com या टेक्स्टबुक जैसी वेबसाइटों पर विस्तृत सिलेबस देखें। 3. YouTube पर खोरठा के लेक्चर, जैसे रोहित सर के, देखें, जो व्याकरण और साहित्य पर आधारित होते हैं। और 4. JSSC CGL के पुराने प्रश्नपत्रों का अभ्यास करें। ये सिलेबस JSSC CGL टेक्निकल परीक्षा के लिए है, जिसमें खोरठा एक क्षेत्रीय भाषा के विकल्प के रूप में शामिल है। Syllabus for the JSSC Technical Graduate Competitive Examination mainly focuses on language and literature, including grammar, noun, pronoun, gender, number, case, compound, verb, adjective, folk tales, Lok Katha, folk songs, Lokgeet, folk stories, Lok Kahaniyan, poems, Kavita, and other forms of literature. It is an optional language in PAPER 2 and qualifying marks are required, after which paper 3, technical subjects, is evaluated. Key points of Khodka syllabus. Grammar. Noun, pronoun, gender, number, tense, case, compound, prefix, suffix, verb, adjective, idioms and proverbs. Literature. Prose, Lok Katha, Lok Kahani, essay. Poetry, Kavita. Others, folk songs, dramas. Exam pattern. This is part of PAPER 2, which has a total of 100 questions. To pass this, it is mandatory to score minimum 30% marks, qualifying. Tips for preparation. 1. Focus on the complete Khodka syllabus, grammar and literature, for JSS CCGL Technical. 2. Check the detailed syllabus on websites like JAR Update, Com or Testbook. 3. Watch Khodka lectures like Rohit Sir's on YouTube, which are based on grammar and literature. And 4. Practice JSS CCGL old question papers. This syllabus is for JSS CCGL Technical exam, which includes Khodka as a regional language option. The Mechanical Engineering syllabus of Jharkhand Technical Graduate Level Combined Competitive Examination, JTGL-CCE, mainly consists of 3 papers, out of which paper 3 consists of technical, specialized subjects. Exam pattern. The exam mainly consists of 3 papers. 1. Paper 1, Hindi and English language, of qualifying nature. 2. Paper 2, Tribal and Regional Languages. And 3. Paper 3, Technical, Special Subjects, Mechanical Engineering, and General Knowledge. Detailed syllabus of Mechanical Engineering, part of Paper 3. The Mechanical Engineering syllabus may include the following core subjects. For specific details from the official notification, refer to the JSSC website. 1. Fluid Mechanics and Machinery. Properties and classification of fluids. Fluid statics, pressure at a point, measurement of pressure, manometer. Fluid kinematics, streamline, laminar and turbulent flow. Dynamics of ideal fluids, Bernoulli's equation and its applications. Measurement of flow rate. Hydraulic turbines and centrifugal pumps. 1. Thermodynamics. Thermal efficiency of a heat engine and the performance coefficient of a refrigerator. Second law of thermodynamics. Carnot cycle and its efficiency. Air standard cycles for internal combustion engines. Otto cycle, diesel cycle, Rankine cycle. 1. Machines and machine design. Concept of simple machine. Flywheel and energy fluctuations. Power transmission by belts, clutches, gears, governors, riveted joints, cams and bearings. Friction. 1. Production engineering. Classification of metals, mild steel, alloy steel, and heat treatment. Welding, arc welding, gas welding, TIG, MIG, etc. Welding defects and testing, NDT. Foundry and casting, methods, defects, various casting processes. Forging, extrusion, etc. Metal cutting principles and machining processes, lathe, milling, drilling, etc. 1. Other subjects. Boilers, classification, specifications, fittings and accessories. Syllabus PDF download. The detailed and official syllabus can be found in the notification available on the official website of JSSC. You can check the syllabus or what's new section on the official website of Jharkhand Staff Selection Commission, JSSC, for the latest notification and syllabus.